These are number blocks. Today we mix in this video number blocks 1 to number blocks 10. Let's make a number blocks 10. Four, 5. Now I am building number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10. This is number blocks 10. Let's make the number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 9. This is number blocks 9. This is number blocks 9. Let's make number blocks 8. Number blocks 8 is pink color. Number blocks 8 is pink color. This is the die number blocks. Very special for kids. This is number blocks 8. This is number blocks 8. Let's make number blocks 7. Let's make a number block 7. Number block 7 is multicolor. Number block 7 is multicolor. Now I am building number block 7. I am building number block 7. This is number block 7. This is number block 7. Let's make number block 6. Number block 6 is violet color. Number block 6 is violet color. This is number block 6. This is number block 6. Let's make number blocks 5. Number block 5 is blue color. Now I am building number blocks 5. Here we go. This is number blocks 5. This is number blocks 5. Let's make a number blocks 4. Number block 4 is green color. Here are 4 number blocks. Let's make a number blocks 4. This is number blocks 4. This is number blocks 4. Let's make number blocks 3. Number blocks 3 is yellow color. Number blocks 3 is yellow color. This is number blocks 3. This is number blocks 3. Let's make number blocks 2. Let's make number blocks 2. Number blocks 2 is orange color. Number blocks 2 is orange color. Let's make number blocks 1. This is number blocks 1. This is number blocks 1.